Now let's make a hyperlink. A hyperlink is where you can click on something and it jumps to another area within the book. Could be an object, could be text. Let's talk about how this works together. Now I do have my inspector open, and earlier we spent time in the text and the graphic inspector, but now we need to focus on the link inspector. Now if I want to link something here in section 1 to something in section 2, I have to go to section 2 first. So think of the end in mind. So where do we want to hyperlink? We want to hyperlink to section 2. And let's say I want to hyperlink to this text right here. So I have to create a bookmark. Now I'm in the link inspector and I have to select bookmark right here, bookmark. And after I do that, I'm going to click the plus. So I've highlighted this text, I have selected bookmark, and I'm going to click plus. That says it's the word text and it's on page 4, and it is in fact on page 4. Now with a bookmark created, now we can hyperlink to a bookmark. So I'll go back to section 1, and I want to say right here, I want them to be able to click on this, whoever's reading my book, and I want it to jump or hyperlink to page 4. So now I click on hyperlink. I'm going to enable this as a hyperlink, this area that I've highlighted. Now I don't want to link it to a figure, but I want it to link to a bookmark. What's the name of that bookmark? It was text in this case. So now when I go out and preview, by clicking on the preview button, as we did in the earlier video, we will test out our hyperlink. Now remember, a hyperlink links to a bookmark in this case. So I clicked on preview, and now here I am in the iBooks application again. Now remember, we create an iBooks author, but we're viewing it in the actual application called iBooks because we're making an iBook. Now here you can see in red is where we created the hyperlink, and it should jump to page 4, which is a bookmark. There it is. So it worked just fine. So you can see how hyperlinks and bookmarks work together, and it really makes your book different than that of a paper book where you can't jump back and forth like that. I love this feature, and it definitely adds to your iBook.